Hello everyone, welcome to our new section. Today I'm here to discuss about diesel power plant and gas turbine power plant. So let's turn to diesel power plant. In a diesel power station, diesel engine is used as the prime mover for the generation of electrical energy. Diesel power plants are popularly used as standby supply of different industries, commercial complexes, hospitals, etc. During power cut, these diesel power generators are used to fulfill required demand. Let's discuss different components of diesel power station. First one, fuel supply system. In fuel supply system consists of one storage tank, strainers, fuel transfer pump and all-day fuel tank. Oil is stored in storage tank. The oil in storage tank is pumped to dry tank using a transfer pump. A strainer is placed in between the main tank and dry tank to remove solid impurities. In the case of overflowing, a overflow pipe is connected between dry tank and main tank so that excess oil from dry tank is returned to main tank through this overflow pipe. The oil is injected to diesel engine from dry tank using fuel injection pump. Second, air intake system. This system supplies sufficient air to the engine for fuel combustion. It consists of a pipe which is used for supplying fresh air to the engine. Filters are provided to remove dust particles from air. Exhaust system. An exhaust system is used for the removal of exhaust gas from engine to the atmosphere. A silencer is used in the system to reduce noise levels of the engine. Next is cooling system. The heat produced due to the internal combustion drives the engine and the heat raised the temperature of some parts of the engine, and this high temperature may cause permanent damage to the machine. Hence, it is essential to maintain the overall temperature of the engine to a tolerable level. The cooling system consists of a water source, water pump, and cooling towers. The pump circulates water through cylinder and head jacket. The water takes away heat from the engine and it becomes hot. The hot water is cooled by cooling towers and is recirculated for cooling. Next is lubricating system. This system minimizes the wear and tear of rubbing surface of the engine. Lubricating oil is stored in main lubricating oil tank. This lubricating oil is drawn from the tank by means of oil pump. Then the oil is passed through the oil filter for removing impurities. From the filtering point, this clean lubricating oil is delivered to the different points of the machine. The oil cooler is provided in the system to keep the temperature of the lubricating oil as low as possible. Next is engine starting system. For starting a diesel engine, initial rotation of the engine shaft is required. For small DG set, the initial rotation of the shaft is provided by handles. For large diesel power station, compressed air is used for starting. Next, it is the advantages of diesel power plant. First one is it only requires very small space. Second one, designed for portable use. Third one, it has quick starting facility. Fourth one, cooling is easy and require small quantity of water. Fifth, initial cost is less than other types of power station. The next is the thermal efficiency of diesel is quite higher than that of coal. Then let's discuss about the disadvantages. The running cost of this plant is higher compared to steam and hydropower plants because the cost of diesel is very high compared to coal. The plant generally used to produce more power requirement. Cost of lubricants is high, maintenance is quite complex and cost high. Plant does not work satisfactorily under overload conditions for a longer period. Then some of the diesel power plants in India. First one is Kozhikode Diesel Power Station located in Kozhikode, Kerala. Second, Brahmapuram Diesel Power Plant. It is a 106.6 megawatt power sector power station in Kochi. Next is Leh Diesel Power Station, which is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Next, let's discuss about the gas turbine power plant. In gas turbine power plant, high pressure and temperature air is used to rotate the turbine, which in turn rotates the alternator to generate electrical energy. The working principle of a gas turbine power plant is same as that of a thermal power plant. In the case of a thermal power plant, compressed air is used instead of a compressed steam to rotate the turbine. The air is compressed in a compressor. The compressed air is fed to the combustion chamber where continuous combustion of fuel oil is maintained. The hot gases so produced are made to run a gas turbine. In turbine, the compressed air is suddenly expanded. Hence, it gains kinetic energy, and because of this kinetic energy, the air can do mechanical work for rotating the machine. The main components in a gas turbine power plant are shaft of turbine, alternator, and air compressor. The mechanical energy created in the turbine is partially utilized to compress the air. Gas turbine power plants are used as a prime mover due to its ability to start and take up load quickly. Thus, it is capable of meeting sudden peaks of system load. A gas turbine unit can also be used as synchronous compensator to help to maintain flat voltage profile in the system. In some cases, gas turbine power plants are used as standby auxiliary power supplies in a hydroelectric power plant. It generates auxiliary power during starting of a hydroelectric power plant. Then let's discuss about the advantages. Boiler, condenser, cooling tower are absent in a gas turbine power plant. So its size, design and construction is much similar as compared to thermal power plant. The next is it is used as a prime mover for its ability to start and take up load quickly. The next, let's discuss about the disadvantages of gas turbine power plant. In normal running, a gas turbine is less economical as compared to a conventional steam plant. Then next, it only provides only a lower efficiency. The temperature of the furnace is quite high in a gas turbine power plant. As per the Central Electricity Authority, total installed capacity of gas-based power plants in India is 24,630 megawatts. Then some of the largest gas power plants are Uran, owned by Maharashtra, SCB located in Ransai Dam, Maharashtra, having a capacity of 912 megawatts. Then second, Dabhol, owned by Ratnagiri Gas and Power Private Limited, located in Ratnagiri district, Maharashtra, having a capacity of 826 megawatts. Third one is Dadri gas fired section, owned by NTPC, located in Dandri, Uttar Pradesh, natural gas, having a capacity of 830 megawatts. So let's wind up the section. Hope you can follow my classes, and thank you and have a nice day.